what's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mary Kay. Just jumping into it. I have yet to find a braided or locked wig that I really like. Okay, it's hard. You know, you see them and you like, yes, I gotta have that. Ooh, I'm finna get that wig. You get the wig and you put it on and you try to slay it and it's like, I don't want this wig. I don't even have to have it. I'm gonna give it another go. I have a wig here from Bobbi Boss. This is their premium synthetic lace front wig. This is their Faux Locs curly. Okay, this is the wig. It's a lace front wig. It says it has a flex fit cap. It has baby hair. There's a 4x4 hand-tied lace closure and an extra elastic band for added security. I don't know as of right now if it's attached or not, or if you have to attach it yourself. But anyways, I have T1B Burgundy. And it looks like they have a lot of colors. I'm just so nervous because every time I do this, like, I can finesse it, but I don't want to have to finesse it. Ooh, I want it to be right. Like, when I take it out the box, I want it to be like slay and fillet, you know? Okay, so it comes, there's already a top knot, which is cool. You can wear it in the high bun or you can wear it down and loose. All right. Well, let's see, honey. Here is the lace up front. It does have the baby hair, an elastic band at the back. So for those of you who want like the extra security or the glueless sort of installation, there you go. So these are loose, okay? But if you lift these up, these are connected like to the wig. Now when you get to the bottom, they're all loose, of course. They have these pretty curls at the bottom. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the curls or not. We'll see. Y'all know I don't be knowing until I do it. I don't be. Hopefully that will make it so this is not super big. We don't want to be ignorant. Hopefully that design makes it so we not ignorant. Okay, but I'm gonna go throw this on and then I'm going to come back with my thoughts on if I think that this is a must-have or cool to have, or girl, don't even worry about it.
But I wanna stay with you and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now you gonna love me. Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Never fall. Promise me, promise.
So in order to pull this down, you'll just take the bobby pins out. The closure, it's individuals. It's really nice. It looks neat. It looks natural. The parts are super clean. Y'all, I did not have to tint my lace at all. That is a big plus for me. I think I may have found one that I fool with. Whenever I have like locks or something, I gotta do my little signature style, honey. I have to see how it looks because this is how my hair is going to be. 9 times out of 10. Go ahead and connect this here. Do, 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 do. And I just have it in a little bow in the back. But this is a real quick slay, y'all. So what this means is you do not have to spend hours in the chair getting your hair locked up. If you're not about that braid twist life, this is a perfect alternative for you. I was determined to find one that I like, but honey, it has been a struggle because some of these, baby, honey. Woo! So I love how seamless this is, you guys. I mean, it blends in with my scalp so well. It is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm gonna cut these curls off. Now that I'm looking at the way it's constructed and it doesn't seem like it's gonna unravel. Y'all, this is cute. This is really cute. I probably won't wear it in the top knot, just because I have certain styles that I like when I wear faux locs. This being one of them too. And this is so easy, you guys. You just tie it in the back and go about your business. Like, this is so easy. So, yeah. But y'all, what I'm most impressed by is this closure. This closure area makes it look super seamless. I get why they constructed it like they did. Otherwise, this would be really big. So I get it. I get it. I get it. I see, Bobbi Boss. I see you. I want you guys to see how long. It's about right there. I'm liking it. Y'all, I'm just shocked because I'm telling you, I don't be liking these wigs. I see them on people and I'll be like, well, hey, honey, if you like it, I love it. But And when they first came out, it was such like a, oh, yes. Finally, the game done changed. It wasn't all the way thought out. It was a great idea, and companies just ran with it without thinking, like, okay, what is the best way to construct these wigs? You know what I'm saying? They didn't even, Child, they was trying to put out a product and get back to the house. I'm glad that they're finally getting to the point to where they look good. So I like the construction. I fool with Bobbi Boss, bruh. Do you do a lot of wades after you get a braided or locked or twist wig, or is it just me? Cause it might just be me. I be doing a lot of wades. Why they do me like that? Why they do that? Why they? And I don't want to wade. I don't want to do that. So I am happy about this unit. Y'all look at that. That is so neat and crisp. That is lovely. Peace, love, and light. Bye.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you